Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Mitsubishi Outlander air filter. First, gather your supplies. A new air filter, a screwdriver, and possibly a pair of pliers. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and cool. Then, open the hood and locate the large, rectangular air filter housing, usually found near the front of the engine compartment. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. Now let's access the old filter. Most Mitsubishi Outlander air filter housings are secured by 4 to 6 metal clips around the perimeter. Simply unclip these fasteners. Some models might require unscrewing a few small screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once unclipped or unscrewed, gently lift the top half of the air filter box. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated before carefully pulling it out. This helps with new filter orientation. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or debris that may have accumulated inside the air filter housing. A quick wipe with a cloth or a small vacuum can do wonders. Now, carefully place your brand new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Double-check that the rubber seal around the filter's edge is properly seated all the way around, preventing air bypass. With the new filter in place, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into position, aligning it correctly. Re-engage all the metal clips you unfastened earlier, or tighten any screws until they are snug. Do not over-tighten. This simple, 10-minute task performed every 12,000 to 15,000 miles helps your engine breathe better, improving both performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.